Show guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today we are back with a brand new single from Casper Nyovest. Phunyo wabe mphethe laphana iphume Friday. Yeah, ingoma ngizwile, ngwabonela ama-opinion ku-Twitter. I think ama-opinion are-divided. Abanye bathi ingoma imnandi, abanye bathi work and stuff. And ngike ngabona lapha kwi-podcast leka DJ Speedster ebiza nge-Up to Speed. Laphana uMswenko Fontaine beno Speedster no Shamiso. I think bebeshade kule ngoma but bangisizile because mina bengayibona ingoma ithi iphumile. So ngithe mangibona ngami ngoyilalela ngifuna ukujajela because angifuni ukuzwa ama-opinion abantu bakuma-podcast because baphinde bekhulume into engekho laphana. So ingoma ngizwile, I think ingoma imnandi, production yakhona, i-mastering yakhona, I think nje ingoma idope. I think uCasper Nyovest ubuyile-ke and uthe le ngoma uyikhipha as i-first single ale album entsha-ke silindile because uthe kulo nyaka ufuna ukubuya ngamandla and I think if isikhuluma iqiniso igame yasemzansi iyamdinga uCasper Nyovest ukuthi ekhiphe something ezoba dope, something angazoyipromota because we are lacking ama-superstars hip hop yasemzansi laphana. Zikhona intwana zazama ukuphusha but zikhipha ama-projects anama-low budgets kanjalo. So siyabadinga abantu abafront njengo-Casper bekhiphe something ezoba dope, something abazoyiphusha, something ezoattract abantu abaningi because i-rap I think isivele aba-underground lasemzansi. So sidinga ukuthi ibule eradweni i-reach abantu abaningi because siyadinga ingoma especially ezingenayo i-rap ending like ingoma ezamasingaloko njengale ngoma into engiyithande ngathi abantu abaningi yona bazorelate, bazokwazi nanokuzwa ama-lyrics because ayikho le deep, i-rap nje yabo. Even nalaphana kukhusha nje kahle laphana. I think nje ingoma emnandi ehlangene. Angi-understand why abantu abaningi bezonda kanje but I think abantu abaningi nje they are chasing for ihlothi especially ku-YouTube laphana since sesinama-podcast on every corner emzansi. So wonke umuntu unombono wakhe bahlezi besho imbono ebhekele abanye-ke nathi-ke sisho wethu umbono nathi but I think ingoma nje imnandi mawuthi umusic yawazi unodlebe noma unendlebe esebenza kahle. I think le ngoma imnandi and masidlala kakhulu emaklabhini nasendaweni lezo bomnandi abantu abaningi bela bazoyizwa kahle khona because igude kakhulu ku-production. So nje ame ukuthi ngibona uCasper ebuye ephumele e-back outside engathi angakeyeka naloku e-defender laphana ku-Twitter abantu babekhuluma ekhiphe nje umusic umkhulumele because uyakhumbula uCasper there was a time akhipha khona uNtitombweni kwasuka umsindo ingoma abantu bathi ingoma i-crash but mangahamba ku-YouTube ubheka ama-numbers right now music video eTitombweni uthi yenza kanjani nezinto aya-achieve. So I think hlezi khona low hate ekhona against uCasper Nyovest but mina I believe le ngoma idope and I can't wait for the album actually because kade sakudinga ukuza album from Case. So yeah, so Speaker Now I think not even I think ingoma sizwile imnandi idope ngifuna nje uzi project ephuma athi anyway sekhona ku Twitter @Speaker Now, sekhona ku Facebook Speaker Now, sibe khona ku TikTok Speaker Now show, sikhona ku Twitch Speaker Now. We out.